Welcome to the Jamestown Distributors Workshop. The latest project done here was the installation of a Garmin radar to the 1970 Seacraft. This installation requires an in-depth knowledge of wiring schematics, so it's highly recommended to have a professional install it. Here's the video of TJ installing the Garmin radar. First, TJ determined the best possible location to mount the radome. TJ had to fabricate some shims out of king starboard to make the radome parallel to the waterline. Then he taped the mounting template in place and drilled the 4 3/8 mounting holes. Then he installed the 4 supplied threaded mounting rods. Next, he installed the 2-pin power cable and the RJ45 marine network cable. Then he installed the small supplied plate to prevent the wires from twisting. Next, TJ sanded and flame treated the starboard shims so the silicone would adhere and provide a weather-tight seal. After carefully positioning the shims, he mounted the radome. He also liberally applied silicone to washers and installed the hardware. Next, TJ ran the power and network cables through the T-top and secured them in place with nylon cable ties. TJ used rubber grommets to protect the wires where they ran through the fiberglass console. Next, he connected the power wires. He decided to replace the supplied inline fuse with an ATO fuse. Next, he found the best possible place to mount the display, making sure there was sufficient clearance behind and in front of the display. He used silicone to bed the mount and seal the fastener holes. Once he ran the cables to the display, TJ spliced the network cable into the RJ45 modular plug. Then he spliced in the power and grounding wires to a 12-volt power source. Next, TJ used a clamshell vent to dress up the wire run and also to reduce water intrusion into the console. After splicing the network cable, TJ installed both the power and network cables to the display. Once mounting the display was complete, TJ mounted an Edson antenna mount and the Garmin GPS antenna. He then ran the network cable through the T-top and secured the wires with nylon cable ties. After all the connections were made and excess cabling was secured, he tested the unit out. The Garmin Radar Dome comes with all of the necessary mounting hardware and cables. To view more how-to videos and other great products, visit our website at jamestowndistributors.com.